Hello everyone and namaskar. I am Pallavi from Talent Battle and today we are going to learn a very interesting topic which is degrees of comparison. We as humans are likely to compare each and everything that we see, even persons for that matter. He is better than him, she is better than her, right? So degrees of comparison are basically about how do you compare in English. So there are sentences, there are types of sentences, there are a specific arrangement of words that you need to make a sentence sound as degrees of comparison. So what is degrees of comparison? How do you use it? What are the types? Every detail will be shared. Let's get started. Degrees of comparison definition: a form of an adjective that indicates a different degree of the adjectives. We use degrees of comparison when we compare between two nouns or groups. So when we're talking about two people, or when we're talking about two things, or when we're talking about two animals, if we want to compare between them who is best, then we use degrees of comparison. Meaning, we compare person, places, animals, or things based on their quality, characteristics, or abilities. Okay, so for example, which rice is good? That's a quality, right? Or which person is good? That's a characteristics. Who can run fast? That's an ability, right? So we compare persons, places, animals, or things based on their quality, characteristics, and ability. Degrees of comparison. Now, the pyramid is always read from bottom to top. So first comes positive degree, then comes comparative degree, and then comes superlative degree. Positive degree is just a statement made. Okay, for example, if I say Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a good cricketer, my statement. Someone says, no, Shikhar Dhawan is better. So what we say is, Shikhar Dhawan is better than MS Dhoni. So here we are comparing two things, two people. And then finally we decide and settle upon that Dhoni is the best. So what we say, Dhoni is the best cricketer. Superlative degree is the final truth. Okay. Positive degree is just a statement made. Along with that, someone tries to understand, someone tries to compare it, okay? And superlative degree where the person completely does that. So positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree, these three degrees are basically used. Let's move forward. Rules, everything has rules. In degrees of comparison, adjectives we compare on based of adjectives in the sentence. So basically in comparison, we are comparing degrees, we are comparing adjectives, we're not comparing people. We are comparing their adjectives or their qualities or characteristics. What are qualities and characteristics? Their abilities, their adjectives, right? Adjectives change its form based on the degree, right? Very right. Some adjectives change spellings completely. Positive degree has original form of adjectives. So good, or smart, the same. It remains same. It does not change in positive degree. Some adjectives add er as suffix in comparative degree. So smart, smarter, smartest. Adjectives which add er in comparative degree will add est in suffix in superlative degree. As I gave an example, smart, positive degree, smarter, comparative degree, smartest, superlative degree. Adjectives that don't change its forms add more before the adjective in comparative degrees and most in superlative degrees. For example, intelligent or handsome. Handsome, there is no handsomer and handsomest. No, it is more handsome, most handsome. In superlative degree, the is used before the adjective in most of the sentence. Why the? Because the gives them authority, gives them respect. Okay. So when someone achieves something really great, you use the, right? So after the comparison, whoever wins gets a status, right? And hence we use the in superlative degree. If more is used before adjective in comparative degree, then than is used after adjective to show the comparison. So she is better than him, or he is better or he is more handsome than him. Again. Adjectives that end with letter E add R in comparative degree and ST in superlative degree. Adjectives that end with letter E add R in comparative degree and ST in superlative degree. Adjectives that end with letter Y remove Y and add IER in comparative degree and IEST in superlative degree. Examples are given ahead to make it more clear. Examples: adjectives which add ER and EST as suffix. So positive was Gauri is a smart girl. Gauri smart ladki hai. Now यहाँ पे smart ends with just T, right? So adjectives which add ER and EST, because it ends with T, it will add ER and EST. So I say that Gauri is a smart girl, but my friend says no, Shreya is smarter than Gauri. So Shreya Gauri se zyada smart hai. Okay, so we kind of have a discussion and then we decide superlative degree, Shreya is the smartest girl. तो फाइनली हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि श्रेया ही स्मार्टेस्ट है, स्मार्टेस्ट, द स्मार्टेस्ट, क्योंकि वही सबसे अच्छी है, वही सबसे स्मार्ट है, इसलिए द स्मार्टेस्ट लिखा है. Adjectives which add R and ST as suffix, ये तभी होगा, this will happen only when the adjective ends with E. Positive, now here simple. Algebra is simple subject. Okay, यहाँ पे E में end हो रहा है, simple ends with E and hence we write R and ST. Geometry is simpler than algebra. Geometry algebra से simple है. And then we compare and then we understand no, algebra is simplest subject. So algebra is the simplest subject. सबसे आसान कौन सा है? Algebra. Adjectives that add IER and IEST as suffix. Now, as we rightly said, if the adjective ends with Y, then obviously it will change into IER or IEST. So positive, Taj is a costly hotel. Taj costly मतलब महंगा है. Comparative में मैं कहती हूँ नहीं, Marriott is costlier than Taj. So I say कि Marriott is ज़्यादा महंगा है ताज से. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में ये समझ में आता है कि नहीं, ताज ही सबसे कॉस्टलीस्ट है बिकॉज वो 7 स्टार है या समथिंग है एंड मेरिट इज 5 स्टार. ओके, सो ताज इज द कॉस्टलीस्ट होटल. सो फाइनली हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि ताज ही सबसे महंगा होटल है. Adjectives that add more and most. Okay, so there are some adjectives that don't change their spellings but they add more and most to make comparative and superlative degree. Positive degree, Justin Bieber एक इंग्लिश सिंगर है. जस्टिन बीबर इज अ फेमस सिंगर. सो मैं कहती हूँ कि जस्टिन बीबर एक प्रसिद्ध सिंगर है, गायक है. कंपैरेटिव में हम कहते हैं नहीं, एनरिके इज मोर फेमस देन जस्टिन बीबर. सो एनरिके करके भी एक इंग्लिश गायक है. सो एनरिके जस्टिन बीबर से ज्यादा प्रसिद्ध है. फिर हम कंपेयर करते हैं और हमें समझता है कि नहीं, हाल ही में जस्टिन बीबर इज मोस्ट फेमस सिंगर, इज द मोस्ट फेमस singer. Justin Bieber is the most famous singer. Adjectives that change spelling completely. Yeah. Supraja has many decor ideas for wedding hall. Supraja के पास बहुत सारे ideas है wedding hall, मतलब शादी का जो hall है उसे सजाने के लिए. फिर मैं कहती हूँ नहीं, पंकजा हैज मोर डेकोर आइडियाज दैन सुप्रजा फॉर वेडिंग हॉल्स. सो मैं कहती हूँ नहीं, पंकजा के पास ज्यादा अच्छे आइडियाज है सुप्रजा से. फिर हम कंपेयर करते हैं और हमें समझता है कि पंकजा के पास ही सबसे ज्यादा आइडियाज है. सो पंकजा हैज द मोस्ट डेकोर आइडियाज फॉर वेडिंग हॉल. मेनी, मोर, मोस्ट. राइट? गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. सेम फॉर्मेट. List of adjectives that use more and most. So I have given you a list of adjectives which use more and most. They don't change their spellings. Active, attractive, beautiful, brilliant, careful, courageous, cunning, difficult, famous, faithful, proper, popular, and splendid. Okay, so these you can use when you want to compare, and you can use their forms like this. And we have list of adjectives that change spellings. So we have bad, worse, worst, evil मतलब बहुत ही गंदा, evil, worse, worst, good, better, best, ill, worse, worse मतलब she is ill, she is worse and she is worst. Ill मतलब हालत अच्छी ना होना. Far, farther, farthest, दूर, सबसे दूर और सबसे ज्यादा दूर. Well, better, best, अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, सबसे अच्छा. Late, later, latest, टाइम के हिसाब से. So latest अभी अभी हाल ही में जो हुआ है उसे आप कहोगे latest. Late, later, last. So she came late. Abhinav came later than her. Abhinav came last. Okay, so उस हिसाब से, position के हिसाब से. Much, less, least. बहुत, कम, सबसे कम. Many, more, most. जैसे हमने already example देखा है. बहुत, बहुत ज्यादा, सबसे ज्यादा. Old, elder, eldest. So बूढ़ा, बहुत बूढ़ा और सबसे बूढ़ा, age के हिसाब से. Okay, so that's all about degrees of comparison. It is easy to understand degrees of comparison. इसमें बहुत rocket science नहीं है. You have to just focus on what you are writing. Comparison किसके हिसाब से करना है, सिर्फ adjectives आपको याद रखने जरूरी है. If you do that, it will be very very easy for you to understand what exactly degrees of comparison are. So make sure that you repeat degrees of comparison again and again, because you will have to use these words, these sentences whenever you are talking. There is going to be comparison everywhere. So you need to understand what the comparison is and how do you move forward. Meet you in the next session with another grammar topic. Until then, thank you.